Well, here's the big question. Could Starship Flight Test 7 truly rewrite space history? It's a bold thought, but with the FAA's official green light, we're looking at a momentous step for SpaceX. What makes this flight even more captivating is the massive amount of preparation, innovation, and sheer ambition that's been poured into it, all unfolding as 2024 nears its close. This flight carries not only the expectations of engineers and space enthusiasts, but also the hopes of an entire industry looking toward a future defined by interplanetary exploration. The excitement surrounding Flight Test 7 isn't unwarranted. With each milestone achieved, SpaceX has brought us closer to a revolutionary era in space travel. The stakes for this flight are monumental, as it could set a precedent for reusable orbital class spacecraft and push the boundaries of what we consider possible. To understand why this mission is so important, let's explore the steps that have led us here and what we can expect on launch day. The build-up to this moment has been nothing short of spectacular. Last week's preparation tests had everyone on edge, speculating about static fires and potential last-minute tweaks. Although the initial tanking test didn't lead to a static fire, it revealed a lot about SpaceX's rigorous testing philosophy. The partial liquid methane load paired with a nearly full liquid oxygen tank was a calculated move, stabilizing the pad while reducing risk. It's a clear demonstration of SpaceX's meticulous approach to safety and efficiency. Then came the first static fire of a Block 2 Starship, a moment that will be etched in spaceflight history. The upgraded flame trench at Starbase provided an unfiltered view of the Raptor engines roaring to life, illuminating the night sky with a brilliance that left spectators in awe. Watching the sequence unfold, the outer vacuum-optimized engines igniting first, followed by the sea-level engines, was a masterclass in precision engineering. Just days later, another static fire with a single sea-level engine showcased SpaceX's relentless drive for perfection. This second test wasn't just about igniting an engine, it was about advancing in-space burn techniques for orbital adjustments. Why is this significant? While the vacuum engines are incredibly efficient for propulsion in space, they lack the ability to gimbal and control the spacecraft's direction. Sea-level engines, with their gimbaling capabilities, ensure precise orbital maneuvers, critical for re-entry, and controlled landings. This kind of ingenuity highlights why SpaceX continues to dominate the spaceflight arena. The turnaround after these tests was equally impressive. In just 10 hours, Ship 33 was moved back to the build site, signaling a swift transition to the next phase of preparations. With both flight-ready vehicles, Booster 15 and Ship 33 fully cleared, all eyes turned to the FAA for the final launch license. On December 20th, 2024, the FAA granted its approval, paving the way for the January 11th flight. The terms of the license outline a suborbital trajectory culminating in a water landing in the Indian Ocean, west of Australia. Importantly, this mission will attempt another booster recovery, aiming for a tower catch that could redefine reusability standards. Meanwhile, Starbase itself has been a hive of activity, reflecting SpaceX's broader ambitions. Reinforcements on the second launch tower mimic those on the first, demonstrating a commitment to redundancy and robustness. The newly painted and reinforced tower arms, along with red framework pieces, signal rapid progress on Pad B. High-pressure storage tanks for Pad B's water deluge system have also been spotted, hinting at the infrastructure enhancements necessary to support the growing cadence of Starship flights. Even the smallest changes at Starbase carry significant implications. For instance, the removal of the iconic SpaceX sign at the entrance might seem trivial, but it underscores a massive transformation. The site is being prepped for an air separation unit, ASU, capable of producing liquid nitrogen, oxygen, and argon, ensuring Starship operations remain self-sufficient and scalable. Regulatory challenges persist, as highlighted in the FAA's environmental review, but SpaceX's proactive approach shows they're ready to meet these challenges head on. The production line at the build site is operating at full throttle. Booster 16, designated for Flight Test 9, has seen its methane tank fully stacked, while Booster 15 undergoes final checks for the upcoming mission. The installation of new cryogenic pipes and permanent work platforms in Mega Bay 2 further enhances efficiency, enabling simultaneous work on multiple projects. This streamlined approach isn't just about meeting deadlines, it's about setting a new standard for space vehicle manufacturing. On the other side of the country, Florida's 39A Starship launch pad is undergoing its own transformation. The demolition of old infrastructure is clearing the way for state-of-the-art systems designed to handle the immense demands of Starship launches. Meanwhile, the Falcon 9 program continues to amaze, with 3 flawless launches in under 24 hours, including the SES-03B M-Power mission and a classified NROL 149 payload. Even with occasional delays, like the Astronis mission abort, SpaceX's record of reliability remains unparalleled. This isn't just a mission for SpaceX, it's a milestone for the entire aerospace community. Every successful test brings us closer to a future where space is more accessible, whether for scientific discovery, industrial growth, or even the dream of colonizing other planets. Beyond the technical achievements, this launch is about inspiring the next generation of engineers, scientists, and dreamers. It's about showing what humanity can achieve when we dare to aim higher and work together toward a common goal. But with great expectations come significant risks. Every rocket launch is an intricate dance of science, engineering, and timing, and the complexity of Starship raises the stakes even higher. Failures in this industry aren't setbacks, they are learning opportunities that propel us forward. SpaceX has proven time and again that it can rise from adversity, using each challenge as a stepping stone to greater accomplishments. Starship Flight Test 7 also highlights the broader implications of reusable spacecraft. If SpaceX successfully achieves its objectives, it will drastically reduce the cost of space travel, making the once distant dream of multiplanetary existence a tangible reality. It could lead to a revolution in how we approach space exploration, from asteroid mining to deep space missions, and perhaps even human settlements on Mars. As we count down to January 11th, 2025, the anticipation is palpable. Starship Flight Test 7 isn't just another step forward, it's a giant leap toward realizing the dream of interplanetary travel. If successful, this mission will validate years of innovation and pave the way for a new era of space exploration. From the engineers at Starbase to the fans watching across the globe, all eyes will be on that launch pad as we witness history in the making. Will this flight mark the turning point for humanity's journey to the stars? We're about to find out. Stay tuned. This is a moment you won't want to miss. Don't forget to hit that like button, smash subscribe for more jaw-dropping space updates, and join us as we embark on a cosmic journey like never before.